Another click, another lesson to learn. Hello! Ayan, so ngayong araw ay aaralin natin ang letter D. Letter D. Ang tunog niya ay D, D, D. So, ito ang letrang D. Okay, so ganyan si letrang D. D reads D, D, D. Paano ang itsura ng bibig pag sinasabi ang tunog ng letter D? D, D, D. Ganyan. Okay, so start natin. The picture is door. Door reads D, D, D. D reads D, D, D. Donut reads D, D, D. D reads D, D, D. Deer. Deer reads D, D, D. D reads D, D, D. Ito naman ang doll. Doll reads D, D, D. D reads D, D, D. Ayan. So, ganyan ang letter D. The uppercase letter D and lowercase letter D. Ganyan ang kanyang spelling. So, how do we write letter D? Start by drawing a straight line down, then go back to the top and make a big curve outward and down to meet the bottom of the line. So, ganyan isulat ang uppercase letter D. Ganyan ang itsura niya sa papel. And then, how about the lowercase letter D? Let's write it by drawing a small circle, then draw a straight line down from the side of the circle. Ganyan isulat si lowercase letter D. Ganyan ang kanyang itsura pag sa papel. Okay? So, enjoy learning!